Hello everyone, Luke here from 3D Tutor. Today we got some exciting updates to share with you all. As you may recall, Skillshare had previously removed their classes, but we're thrilled to announce that we've now started uploading new content there. For those of you with Skillshare account, or if you're simply interested in exploring new content through a new avenue, we invite you to visit our Skillshare page. Your support in watching our content there will immensely help us to get back on track with the platform. We are also excited to inform you that we're working on new tutorials set to be released every Monday. These tutorials are designed to be simple and beginner-friendly, yet they'll offer a fresh perspective on techniques and tools that are often overlooked. Next up, don't forget to pre-order our new Blender course, Blender 4, the Ultimate Environment Artist's Guide. This course is packed with valuable insights, including how to effectively start any project with our comprehensive graybox and lighting guide, and elevate your modeling skills to a professional level, all of which creating stunning Victorian structures in a packed environment. Be sure to explore our weekly geometry node releases every Thursday. Our newest addition is a hay generator, ideal for enriching your medieval scenes with detailed roofs and haystacks. Our library currently boasts 13 nodes, including a versatile brick generator, a dynamic snow and ice creator, and an intricate palm tree maker, all meticulously crafted to streamline your workflow and spark your creativity. Additionally, we're excited to announce that we're developing a groundbreaking node designed to effortlessly generate wood textures on any surface, which is going to be great for things like crafting wooden boats and similar projects. And we're not just stopping there. Our team is tirelessly innovating to broaden our assortment of geometry nodes, ensuring you have the tools needed for any project, from enhancing fantasy landscapes to sleek futuristic cities. Your input is invaluable to us as we strive to meet your creative needs. Should you have a request for a particular geometry node or encounter a specific challenge in your work, please reach out and drop a comment down below. Our commitment is to enhance your creative process, making it as seamless and efficient as possible by providing nodes that transform your imagination and concepts into reality. Just as a quick reminder, we're also thrilled to unveil our latest Patreon updates designed to bring even more value and engagement to our supportive community. Whether you are starting your journey with us or you're ready to dive deeper into the world of 3D design, we've refreshed our tiers to ensure there's something special for everyone. For just $5 a month, join us as a supporter and enjoy a heartfelt thank you alongside your name featured in our YouTube credits. Your support lays foundation for our continued creativity and success. At $10 mark, immerse yourself deeper into 3D Tutor world with one free course every month and any YouTube scene modular pack of your choice, plus your name shining in the credits of our videos. For those of you who wish to contribute $20 a month and embrace your role as a creator, this tier offers one free course per month, 2 exclusive GeoNodes to enhance your projects, any YouTube scene modular pack, and your name featured in our video credits. And for our innovators at $50 mark, you'll get to enjoy unparalleled access with 2 free courses a month, plus exclusive entry to our material gallery. Choose between our GeoNodes, model packs, or an additional YouTube scene modular pack to truly revolutionize your 3D designs. Each tier is crafted with love, aiming to provide you with the tools, knowledge, and inspiration to elevate your 3D artistry. Join us on this creative journey and become part of the community that values innovation, learning, and collaboration. Visit our Patreon page today and find a tier that best suits your passion for 3D creation. Finally, I'd like to mention a concept we are exploring for the future: organizing competitions that offer participants the opportunity to showcase their work. Each submission will be featured in a dedicated video where we will provide you our honest thoughts and constructive feedback on the competition pieces. Additionally, the winner of each competition will be awarded with a prize. Although this idea is currently in a purely conceptual phase and details are yet to be finalized, we are keen to gauge your interest and gather your suggestions. Please share your thoughts and feedback in the comment section below. Your input is crucial to us as we consider turning this exciting concept into reality. And that'll be all from me. Thank you very much for watching and happy modeling, everyone.